right, we are going to quickly review how we are going to turn in an assignment on Teams. I am in social studies first period. I'm on a student account, so I'm going to go into assignments here. Wait for it to load. We're going to pretend that we're doing the Civil War assignment. So here, it gives you step-by-step of how you're doing. I can click on the exact links to get to any videos I need to. And then it tells me in the post tabs, I'm going to post something. So that's where I would go here, and I'm going to post in here. And you should see some people already did it. They're going to post something that they learned, and you're also going to post something that you want to learn, and you're going to respond to other people. You reply by hitting reply down here. Now I'm replying to a student right here. Other than that, if you want to write your own post, you just write it down here. Going back to the assignment, the first part was to write something in the post tab, and then you also need to respond to the other post, which I just showed you how to do. And then it says to create an account on Khan Academy, which wasn't working very well today, so I'm just going to show you how to submit the assignment without Khan Academy for now, because I gave another link to the video directly here to avoid the whole Khan Academy fiasco. You can click that link, watch the video, and you're going to submit a 3-2-1, which is 3 facts you learned, 2 questions you have, and 1 comment in response to the video. The way that you're going to submit your work is you're going to hit add work right here. And you can either upload something that you have on your computer or your OneDrive, or you can create a new file and you can type in a Word document. And I could say, since it's a 3-2-1, I could call it that, and I could hit attach. I can click on here. 3 facts, 2 questions, 1 comment. I would write them all. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. I also might want to put my name. I hit close. It's going to already automatically be updated there. I'm going to go scroll back up here and I'm going to hit turn in. That means that you've officially turned it in. Your work is uploaded and I can see this. If you need to make sure that if you're adding a new document, you click that new file the way that I just did. Rewatch this video if you need it. It is really important that you guys are aware of